Ekenekwa nga Igbo ndị manege ntị ya ka bụka video ezugo ya kwa ka video ezugo so biko no achọrọ m igbu n'oge because this is a very long video and it's also an eye opener for everybody biko no do kaba na arụ n'elu this video n'isi unu n'ihe ezugo kwu concerning that same trending issue ihe na-azụ kita onye kan but nobody. I was expecting some of our people to congratulate Ebuka Obi na thank you for cause. Everybody know do na for us na half for ya. Man, I so much thank God that cardinal came out and prayed for him. So what other validation do we need? Ebe onye ka your archbishop, onye no next to pope, onye no next to pope, congratulate ya. What other validation does he need from his fellow laymen? You can't change a layman, even a layman. So cool and done. Then end this video. Go the one.
Kwenu business. Zion ministry. Okwuluora Ndigbo laocha alola teta. Decide ya ko me live broadcast. Maka Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. I'm going to play the video. We are going to analyze this video. Koyawo unu nka Georgia kono malu nde na achọ okwu na ndada achọ okwu. Share this video. Click on like and love. Anyị na makwu n'eziokwu. Ịghọtago hapụ maka ndị n'ebe na-etigbuo ha. No! Look beyond that. Look beyond that. You will see the truth there, staring at you at your face. Share this video. And when I greet you, click on like and love. About this broadcast, they share here. You may click on like and love. If I be out, I will court. You want to go? If I be out, if I know I will law court. Actually, more when you watch a share, you get chanting. Now this video, you shall replay. Nya igecha jagonina onyakolo. I will not mention the name of the person simply because I don't want to make him unnecessary relevant. You want to go? Actually, make all the unnecessary relevant. He's one of those media irat. One of those media irat. Ya will go on up that on our was Enugu. He got alarm or defense Enugu. But share this video on the mother Bagota. Can I analyze this video? Ngumwa na achieve gente na this video. Owulu na ige just video. Be you a neutral person? Iwe essentially involvement of Evangelist Ebuka Obi or Zion ministry in what you have heard here. Biko, tell me, I want to know. Okwuluora na-achọ okwu and achọgide okwu iji ikwu okwu asị na onye ọhụrụ nwa akpali onye dị otu a na ndị niile gwara onye mgba na ha ncha niile na gụjee study ya ka ha ncha si wee ende. Man unu na-achọ okwu. Evangelist Ebuka Obi move onwe on doing his own thing. He barely reply. He doesn't even reply. Or piante mano make ayasi no onwe hi for na anu. Hapụkwanụ nwoke mmadụ aka ọ na-ajụ. Hapụkwanụ nwoke mmadụ aka ọ na-ajụ. Let us regard on this video. You other go ka unu fu mmadụ no kata lauchu uro fu bositeta. Osenaguru. Okay, I am starting. We will analyze this video first. Gegodun tekeno the introduction part of this video, because the introduction part of this video do more important because ebaho would my area of concern. Then listen to what Okwuluora said that prompted him to make this analysis here. Actually, two people analyzing that incident. I want you to hear from both of them, from their both point of view. I think the second person just melt well all out on Okwuluora. So we are not going to pay much attention. Yes, we are going to analyze it because we got a message for that same guy. Oh yeah, listen.
Once I this video, then before we didn't know. Get to see Nandoka. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist. Chukwu Ebuka no say mo Obi okene. Acho me ma yiche.
No. Oh, this video guy. Okay, yeah. Then get Choleba.
My people, please.
Gente. Share this video, Gente.
Let us watch this video. This video is long, but let us exercise patience and watch this video. This young man called Ira narrated Reply Okwuluora. And you will see that 7 million of bribe is working through Okwuluora.
This particular guy replied Okwuluora, and you can see that 7 million of bribe is working through Okwuluora.
This is how this ministry want to use Okwuluora to insult Reverend Ebuka.
This is how this ministry want to use Okwuluora to insult Reverend Ebuka.
And Okwuluora took it to himself
to
make such assignments.
To make such assignments.
What a satanic assignment.
What a satanic assignment.
But one thing I promise Okwuluora, let Okwuluora do a public apology for his sanity and for his peace of mind. Otherwise, the hammer we go hammer up is rolling from Sambisa forest. Anything that concerns Father Baga, you don't toy with it. There are people that are apple of God. Whenever they roll out on the sanctuary, they don't even need to pray for you. Because God has used them as an instrument. They are God's apple. The other go, watch and see how this my brother narrated everything. God.
First, I want to ask, can you even go on and down our boss or Bunguru in Achofa? Who go on and down our boss or Bunguru in Achofa? Yeah? At the main mention of Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion. Yeah? Panic, panic, fear. Anama ajụjụ ose kele onye ya na ibe na azodo onye ka mmadụ na-ekwu okwu ifuda na ebe governor of a state na local government chairman na ama aka governor man or governor o maintain office as the office of the governor mana ebe onye na-akpọ onwe no nya governor ya wogo ọnwụna o na feel intimidated by the presence of a mere local government chairman according to them. Onifro na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka oge ọbụla ka fa na-anọ n'ụjọ oge ọbụla ka ha na-anọ na paniki oge ọbụla ka ọ na-atụ ha ka ya sịrị nwere onye nya na fa na-azọ something. Okwuluora did a harmless broadcast Okwuluora Ndigbo made. The only crime he committed was saying that Evangelist Ebuka Obi now the most powerful pastor now, the greatest na Igbo. Now the only crime or committed. The next thing Igbo Elijah Elugozbo, according to members here, because let us not drag him into it. But no members here they will sense. Some members here they will sense. So when members here they will sense. How much especially this particular eflefu who no kwaketa, because that guy who a compound eflefu call who go on funa ne kugari for nothing. Yeah, I'm not the one assigned here. Who even assigned Oboduke this particular job? He's so unintelligent. He's not smart. onako ifedo off point and off key. What has 7 million naira donation Okwuluora Akuzayo make it to foundation Okwuluora Enwe foundation? Kerife 7 million naira donation Akuzayo nyelu Okwuluora Ndigbo maka kidney test and liver. How many weeks ago? What does it have to do with na Okwuluora Teta by camera bidding me broadcast maka the use of mass in Nandekano? Now, the moment Okulu Evangelist Ebuka Obi wunya the greatest, and even after that he mentioned Elijah Enugu. Now, listen, me play a video. O will be video you akusenya so that you can now get the point. Gente.
Bless you, dear our adoration, and God bless you as a listening one love keep us together. Then we video that chop on the watch here. On social media.
Gente.
And the one you need to on a video, makana video make up for the this video, is an insult to every father educated man.
Every video is an insult. Every video is an insult. Even the video that doesn't make sense, provided Nafa Evangelist Ebuka Obi be mentioned in that video, it will become an insult. Can you fool me? Medu na nyame na aso. Umurife fa na aso. Umurife nyame na aso. Anywhere onunuru mention la fa mmadu na abu ofuebe. Una ba into panic, fear, ejidono. Inferiority complex. Obidogi nyu no so.
The way somebody for them back.
Then
once you have this video, then before we hear them know.
Ngwana ya kono fo pattern Okwuluora juwe pare Elijah. Then teketa. Oku imu if e man answer go, you get just share video. I want you to tell me that first efule efukuroku na video. Tell me this video. If a linkele Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Akuzayon to this video. I want you to tell me if a linkele Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Akuzayon or Zion Ministry to this particular video. That if you call to now no yin kasrelo na Okwuluora Ndigbo chochalo so yesi we insult Elijah Enugu of all. He decided to come out this way. Now, gente keno goes away pale Elijah Enugu.
Evangelist Nandoka.
Obido now.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka no se mo Obi okene. I don't care to know your opinion. The only man of God that I need now is stronger, more powerful than Evangelist Chukwu Ebuka no se Obi.
The insult.
Also the political wars.
The insult too.
I don't know Chukwu Ebuka no se Obi. Ogene.
The insult. The insult.
Okay, cassette, radio cassette, na pia water go billionaire. Oga dembe. Oko akaria. Mana asiya de ba. Now,
before a Ganiru may watch this video, the first guy analyzed this video. That Oppo Buzo way analyze it. This video no dey play video nyenka. Wonye accuse Zion. No go na ministry ya blah blah blah. Accuse Zion. No bribe. Okwuluora Ndigbo to come and insult Elijah Enugu. Hey, what I go? Now the second guy, Kuluna Okwuluora Ndigbo chochalo ụzọ oyesi we insult Elijah Enugu of her. He came out in this way. Now you may think that Nifo Nacho Kokowa in this video. Wo na Okwuluora Ndigbo call out Elijah Enugu about no keep silent na njide jidere Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and continuous incarceration and detention of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. But one question you must ask yourself, what is that question? Okwuluora is so much interested in what Okwuluora Ndigbo said about Elijah Enugu alone. Okwuluora is interested na Okwuluora Ndigbo kwuru na Elijah Enugu ekwubu anything or no mebu anything, whereas Elijah Enugu ekwugo several things, made a lot of things. Okwuluora only that part God so much interested in. Why did he copy that part of the message where Okwuluora Ndigbo called Evangelist Ebuka Obi? I mean, he could have simply cut the clip where Okwuluora Ndigbo called out Elijah. Why did he include the part of the video where Okwuluora Ndigbo said that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the greatest and the most powerful now? If the attention and the target is not Zion and the Evangelist Ebuka Obi, it's a question. Okwuluora is so much interested n'ife Okwuluora kwuru maka Elijah. He should go ahead and cut out the part where Okwuluora mentioned Elijah. Why did he cut out only the part where Okwuluora mentioned Elijah, mentioned Nwanne Obi, before we mentioned Elijah Enugu, whereas Okwuluora mentioned names of other men of God and ministers, including Odumeje. He mentioned the name of Odumeje. He mentioned the name of other clergymen. Ndigbo. Why had you call to the clip only where he mentioned Evangelist Ebuka Obi as the greatest and most powerful? Then Elijah Enugu as Onyeji cassette na tape where will be on here. Now listen, so that you will now be clear that now the target is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Then you will now analyze and tell me from ifini ne hanako can if consign Evangelist Ebuka Obi in personal video Okwuluora Ndigbo made, can if consign Zion na personal video Okwuluora Ndigbo melo. You want to go gente
my video now is a big slap to Reverend Fadej came back.
Look at
Somehow, because from the day one, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Malanga, from the day one, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Malanga, Fadambaka na Abuta about this man. Fadambaka in all program, Fadambaka na Abuta, every Maazị Nnamdi Kanu every, and the name you more college to go Ndigbo fight here. After Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Shinagabuta. From the day one, from Nnamdi Kanu was arrested in 2021. From that 2021, the Fadambaka every Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Watch this program. Yeah, he was arrested in 2021. Watch this program. Yeah, now crossover night.
Let us go to the end of this video because now a lot of things will play as an about different places where Elijah Enugu spoke about Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, which now of course we have recordings also some places where Evangelist Ebuka Obi spoke about Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, including in Konyelu prophecy about him. So it can be trying to prove to us that Elijah Ulumaka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu or not. But the fact is that why must he place Evangelist Ebuka Obi ahead of Elijah? Now, I keep hearing them calling out Okwuluora na Okwuluora ụgwọ na Okwuluora ya tafu na Okwuluora kwuwara ọnụ na ogoro na Okwuluora chọrọ ito one man of God. Must he bring down another man of God? Wait to one man of God. I keep wondering, wega na Facebook na search what did Okwuluora Ndigbo say about Elijah Enugu, what did Okwuluora Ndigbo say about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I did not see anything except today. Except today. Cambia for this thing. If you indeed common sense is not common. Umeha he bidori nuwe causes. Umeha he bidori nuwe causes. Shetan halogo na nde wari mba melunga na nde nile wari mba igbakwa hakita. Mention the name of those people. They cannot mention one single name. Mariota okanohe. Mariota okanohe. Ajujo kanajo okanohe. Shimaro kenamane okanohe. How many people kayabo Father Nwakezie Kogono nke Agolo honore. Mention the name of all those people. Bishop or Bishop Ona Kogono, Bishop of Enugu Diocese. Honor her. Osizigewu a bishop. Shimano Kenamane. Osizigewu a senator. Mariota lose go position here na politics Enugu State. Ana majuga ajuju. Father Nwakezie Kogono na Agolo. Honor kaho Father Kowo. Mention the names of all those people. BBC or Warner. Ongurenye BBC na family yendi. Mention the name of all those people. Huh? Peter Obi, Ejimake, where's JA, this thing Kogono. Peter Obi, see, as far as Igbo to concern, he's the most popular politician. Yes, that somewhere, name. Yes, he's the most popular politician, one of the hottest in the market now. So I want you to tell me if I will go on and ask a mother, check in the name Balonia, but the on Wakahana Waye actually, Konahan will issue the Roha Hanibu. Kowuchuku, Geromoye Asayoku. Now, whatever he says is final. Oh, you will go on a Facebook, Bibia, exhibit ignorance on. Yeah, Okwuluora aye kugari kwa ziono. Get the conclusion yeah.
May, June, July. So, ndeni ni bwa kwa matamba. Onwere nke survival ya.
Ndeni ni bwa Elijah mba. Onwere nke survival ya. Ijuzie ha, ona afa ndeni na ha ya mba a survive he. Kayema no nye hawo. The major key people Aima non that pola family yamba Chimalo Kenamane. One senator. Then Mariota ya will go na hapu Mariota nono. Mariota is still very much powerful as far as politics and good to concern. According to Duhasieku. Onwugo kan na jo gunu melu Mariota gunu mechi Chimaro Kenamane. BBC Onwugo Bishop Ona Kogono asịrị n'ọnya na bishop na-agba mgba ọka ho bishop ọka ho nyawo your lord bishop n'Enugu. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ ọka ho nyawo your lord bishop n'Enugu. Peter Obi melu eji wee nye ye leave to monarchy ka okerifu na agbe. Peter Obi, is he not still a very much active politician, the hottest one na Igbo, not in high demand na Igbo? Is he not the one? Father Nwakezie Kogono mwe nego, Reverend Father Nwelajego na agoro. Ono ye mention the name of all those people barayamba a survive here. Ha na agba mgbe ka ono powa tosu ka ha na-eme. Ha na agba onwe onye n'ime ha ana agba mgba ka ono powa tosu ka ha na-eme. The woman koje ono se no koje ebubo be not malo nwa yime nwa nwa. The woman onwugo. He had the light of Africa. Follow you, he boy family no ya. He had the light of Africa. One. Matthias na-anarị elu na ya na Matthias onwugo ka ọkadụ ndụ ụmụ koko una na-ekwughericha ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ onwugo ka ọkadụ ndụ. So mention the name of one single person unu feel na ọgbara ya mgba mana ọ survive ka m wee mara. A na-eme politics esem na ịmụ na politics is all about opposition and favor. Politics is a game of opposition. So if you want to meddle into politics as a priest, you face what politicians face there. Yes, the winner will all. Yes, that is what I'm saying. So unu na-ekwukwo n'ifu unu na-ekwu chọdebe n'okwu unu na-achọrọ okwu na-akọgharị ndị mmadụ ọnụ garara m nwobele vidio kwuru ọla ndị Igbo meru wee call out ndị Igbo awakening ndị Igbo. His harmless video, it was a harmless video. The only crime of committed no Kwenu Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the greatest and the most powerful pastor or clergy in Igbo, man of God in Igbo. He placed him above. He merely stated the obvious. If a problem is yoku, if Father Mwebe fulu n'elugu ojiwego izuwolomo ebe ịna-adị ndụ izuwolomo ọfụzie nke anyị fụrụ na nga ọkpala ụbọchị a kere ife ọya agụ ọsụwa speaking in tongue. Osai Chukwujeku Benjamin, you must be here. Uneni do they da reate angry emoji na comment here. He must be here and don't get just chante. If you know, a happy page if you leave this page, you must be here. Yes, you must be listening too much to every single thing in Neku with your own data. Or even no way, Kaleo. A puana page, Yakamalo. Pro, ebe ha nive. Ka wunke njuwe Kaleo. Ka wunke njuwe Kaleo. Unana mwagani isi. Nonu onye na azu ife. Man, unu nokwo. More than 50. Yes. Yes, I will continue cashing out on your brain. Osai Chukwujeku. Since he show him ife, I will continue cashing out with your brain. Obolo wo kam meji we pagide go here until bo say ya amalife. He decide ya na ya amalife, decide ya na weyu. Ni je go ta data. Wori e bia na apa ile ego. I will continue to make money on your head. Until obo say ya akwụsị ịgba nsọkwu agba. Yara igesi na enye m ego. Mana ị na-enye m ego ana m amalụ. Ị na-enye m ego ana m amalụ. Isi ebe ị nọ ịgbalụ bịa na page m. I will be catching out. You will any choice. That money must be made through you. By fire, by force. You will any choice. You will any choice. Kronu no na na zokuka. Okwokoka na esoku. Okoka wife na esoku. What I saw in Enugu is Wolomo. Izuwolomo ebe ịna-adị ndụ izuwolomo. Then when you saw what happened in Ngopala, you lost your voice. Okoka wife na-eso okwu. Should we begin to put people side by side? Ka iwe gbalụ na mmiri a akarigo osimiri. What you need to do is to be happy for your fellow man. Hancha n'ime wo kingdom with a gain. Or kingdom with a gain. Plomado. Oblomado. Una need to see. Manunu nenye kwa otuni nunu nenye. No, more than 50 luxurious bosses. Marco Polo boss. Si enugu po, una block enugu. More than 20 Siena. Si enugu po, una block ho. Eba. More than 50 private cars, if not over 100 private cars, do nothing less than 3 4 passengers each. See Enugu po, ona block Enugu no yapo. Ona block Enugu no yapo. Eh? Kalojirous bosses ya na apple over 50. Ego izuwolomo. Ebe inadindu izuwolomo. Kasiena ni na private car ni na ego izuwolomo. Ebe inadindu izuwolomo. Ego ya ozuholu okoka na-eso okwu. Nwanne, overtaking is allowed. Okwu overtaking is allowed. Yes. Osokwe nyawolo no nwatakịrị gbaalụ boye. Isetụlụọ ya. Mmanụ na-enwe chances no ya emecha akpafe ego. Ọ na-eme ebe niile. Osokwe nyawolo no onye ibu ụzọ wee nọ na gọọmenti. The younger the better. The youth kapawa na abanaka. And Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a youth who says he cannot use his youthful age. Daddy retires years. He need to see that so power. Now, this video, I must be honest with you, it has nothing to do with Elijah. Yes, except if proven otherwise. It has nothing to do with Elijah. It has a lot to do with ụfọdụ members here. It has nothing to do with ụfọdụ members here. They won't get survival here.
Like this, all the problem.
Mba, ọ ijekwe Jizọs ndọka ọnwụ. Ọ problem nke ya agbape. Ịchọ ya okwu Chukwu ka ije gbu ya aka n'anya. Chukwu ka ije wụrụ ọkpọ dọwapụ ọnụ.
Ime propose a problem again. Because once it's your Madamago, all the natural. It's got like this is like a covenant.
Yeah, all the natural. Man, ono assume kwolu na Evangelist Ebuka Obi shori okwu. Ono assume kwolu na Evangelist Ebuka Obi zukoje members here. Ono assume kwolu na Evangelist Ebuka Obi etikago mmụọ na agwụ oje eje ọrụ. Yet, if I from na nga ọkpala, ozuwola ayo. Yes, nwoke na-alị. Unu sikwa na ọchọrọ ya okwu. Onye chọrọ ya okwu na-eme ife. Ụfọdụ nwa unu na ya akụkọ na-ekpokọ. I am meant to believe that na some of these things unu na-eme na nyanwa adọrọ aware of it. Even though na some utterances ọ na-adịrị izu oge ụfọdụ na-abịakwa na confirm n'ọdụ ka ya sị no onye butere ife kpọwara n'afịa. Yes, because ọ bụrụ na ụfọdụ okwu ọ na-ekwu ada aga paripa so with some of the activities zone enwere m ike si okay, but nke a na ụfọdụ okwu a na confirm with some of the things unu na-ekwu n'ọnụ. Yes, most only flux the way they boast about Ogechi. Yes. And the Ogechi sokwono onye chọrọ okwu. They thought no ha nwa Uchukwu. They thought no ha nwa Uchukwu. No na Enugu State ebe a ha nọwụ headquarters of God. Na ebe a ka Chineke nọ na the throne. Nọ ebe ahụ. And lo and behold, yeah, what that apology had to check or Enugu could not do. A good competent lawyer did it like this. Ofonyo yeah. I don't know why they are failing to accept Okwuluora, a simple truth. Other men of God are not even look at Evangelist Ebuka Obi Jefo Cardinal Okpaleke no Sekulana Cardinal Okpaleke pele Cardinal Okpaleke obviously no refa Okwuluora kwuru, and he's not disturbed, and he's a cardinal, not even just a bishop. of full Evangelist Ebuka Obi upon no or intimidated na somebody no somewhere poor the Evangelist Ebuka Obi wo the most powerful. Odrodo disturbed. Manepo uni kwugari analoku na master kankapu. Oduka yasino no kana agba. Oduka yasino no kana agba. Upon nife melu.
Abakan God. It's all you to be able to see. I'm getting the
It's a wadro.
Give a problem. What's it all you? Yeah, what's the problem?
It's all you if you need the email wing hati. Tia Bado. Ekwado ki ije Lagos. Moto pota obulu ujere Abuja. Eba plane no je Malaysia. Oputo obulu ujere Ifa.
Je kwese. In that your video mreketa no. Okwuluora to be honest with you, is a slap to this beast.
Imagine.
This your video is a slap to every father came back.
Imagine.
After all for the Mbaka did.
Imagine.
After how for the Mbaka have been paying for Mazin Nandokan. Why will you mention for the Mbaka name in that your video? Why will you mention his name?
Imagine.
Why will you mention for the Mbaka's name?
The way has that war after other men of God with impunity and authority. And the moment you mention the name of the Alpha and the Omega, her master can copy. They don't want anybody to mention his name at all, but they keep mentioning other men of God recklessly. To them, he is the only real man of God in Ndigbo. Even when reality on the ground is pointing towards another direction for them, they are still failing to accept the reality. Yeah? Between these two people, Kelunde members humiliate go the other person. I have never seen a Zionite insult Elijah Elugu. I have never seen that. But Ogowuna Ebuka Obi Akozion, Ebuka Obi Akozion, Zion ministry ya Onafie Benine.
Why the reason why you did that video is just to insult Reverend Fayez came back.
Imagine.
The message to pass it to you now is that if I go for the back, it's about you the also give you body. Judge West, my native doctor for the back when I can survive.
Yeah.
The governor for the back when I can survive.
Because the governor Balumbo for survive. Bolona Yaf and the governor Balumbo for survive. Bolona Yaf and the native doctor so Balumbo for survive here. Osai, he sent the link here also a block Congo. This will be the first and last warning. If you drop any link here again, you leave this page.
President said, when I can survive.
The president Tebarayamba and who can survive here. For example, this is true church where example, Evangelist Ebuka Obi or survive here. I want to Evangelist Ebuka Obi so survive where can survive with. Okay, thank you very much. I love that. You are honest. Of you, Zuzu. What if you account to Baba? You want to go? I want to Evangelist Ebuka Obi so where according to you people. If I name you will survive here, God, because yeah, that failure. Wuri fonyo ona ya de pepere ono se Evangelist Ebuka Obi gbayemba no se se man dey sin na church and according to one Evangelist Ebuka Obi melu ya halo betray ye meye this one na achọ ko mutu oye and as because no onye gbayemba onye higher survive here Evangelist Ebuka Obi survive here and therefore one ebe wonya one survive here. That is the failure. Yes, that failure is the failure that everybody prays for. Because that failure is grace in disguise.
Even currently now, the one who can survive Rihanna, Okwuluora, Ebotapa, Chokwa, Eseti Kwadi, Okwuluora,
Eseti Kwadi, Onye Seti here. Onye ne Seti Okwuluora.
survive here. That is my message to you.
Onye na-ese eti Okwuluora. Onye na-ese eti Okwuluora ka ọ bịa gbaa ya mgba. Who is that? Any single thing before no. Una akpọrọ Zion, kpọrọ Ebuka, kpọrọ Akụ Zion. Akụ Zion nwetala ego. Wee support wo. Ka Okwuluora ti wee kpọọ people ka ndị mmadụ bịa test ya kidney ya. O wee wụrụ ụgwọ ka akwụrụ ya maka ife ọ na-gbasalụ Zion. So from this video you watched na beginning to end, if Okwuluora Ndigbo kwuru, can you tell me if Evangelist Ebuka Obi nwelu and if Akụ Zion nwelu or if Zion ministry nwelu to do with this? Evangelist Ebuka Obi's name was called out the same way Elijah Enugu was called out, the same way Odumeje and other clergymen name was called out. But the only thing Meloji will do difference is that Okwuluora made more emphasis on Evangelist Ebuka Obi, meaning no now the greatest and the most powerful. And the moment you could hear a chokohoku. So now that Father Angelo Ugolu that the church should dialogue with Zion ministry, he will automatically become their enemy because he stated it clear that one day now the crowd of Nangopala, that even God himself will be overwhelmed. He said it. And he said that not forget that the more Anaba Zion ministry the more they grow from strength to strength. Because the crowd of Nangopala do very audible to the deaf and visible to the blind. You gotta go. So now that he is calling on the mother church, at the end of the day, all the people that has been talking bad against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, at the end of the day, you find out that it will be only one person standing because other people are making U-turn. Other people are making U-turn. A lot of them are beginning to see the nice and good. They are beginning to appreciate that gift God only Evangelist Ebuka Obi. No time for anybody. No time for Ekworo. He is a different man altogether. He is a rare breed altogether. If an Amasun had Amasia, if what nature he is not even interested in politics. Yes, he is not interested in politics at all. If a business you face remove, if a concern of Zion, and Zion, that is all. Yeah? Oh no. Over 50 luxurious buses. Load was in Enugu. Umolone for Enugu. Yeah? Umolone for Enugu. But on FIFA na got a whole one. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I can now tell you clearly that all the people who marry Yemba, go and look at them. They are all struggling. All no reputation, you will lose it. Or no prestige, you will lose it. Or no respect among people, you will lose it. Yes. Yes, those people who felt that they are high and mighty, they have lost their respect among people. They have lost their dignity among people. People who some years back cannot even afford to mention their names are calling them out now at every slightest step. Ụfọdụ ndị dewela ahụ na ha awụ ụkọchukwu na ha awụ fada eji maka fa wee gbagha fada okwu for the first time. Eji maka ha gụọ ma fada iyi, eji maka ha belitụrụ akwa fada because of that same man. Yes, it is visible. Mana njọ kịta kelu ndị mere ife a, ke ndị mere this one, ke ndị mere ife a. No sị na ndị niile gbara onye mgba na ha ncha niile na regret ya na-eme ife. Nsị kpọọlụ mụ afọ ofu onye ya akpọ Because in the you mention we know them and we know that they are all doing fine. Mana onweghị onye gbalụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi mgba ahụ n'afọ. Ị na-ata anụ ọbara na-agbarụ n'eze. Ozi akụzayọ. Mmadụ na-ewe igori aka n'anya ahụ fọrọ. You will lose your respect. You will lose your dignity. If I ji ebube ndị mmadụ ji respect you will lose it completely. Go and check them. Go and check them. Careers ended because of Akon Zion. Careers ended because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Hama agwaghị ka o wee wụrụ. Ịghọtago? Hama agwaghị my doctor in the house. I greet you, ma. I greet you, ma. Ịghọtago? Hama agwaghị ka o wee wụrụ. So, we have extended the hands of love to you people, but to natural love. Ịghọtago? Extend the hand of love, the hands of love to you people. Mama ona achoho ye. Amorozimi fozo. Ono shoro. Amomi fozo ono shoro. O se da akono. So say da akono. So say da akono here and there. Ngwa ndị ya sịkwa n'okwu ife a na-achọ. Analyze your video made from beginning to end. Ke gbam ke ife with the power, the crime of Evangelist Ebuka Obi Akon in all this. Bataro somebody ji wee nọrọ ofe bụ wee allege ya na-akwụrụ Okwuluora Ndigbo 7 million to come and fight Elijah Enugu. Tell me, Bamo to Mulife. You want to go? Bamo. Okwuluora made video calling out everybody. Only Okwuluora half an Igbo. He called out all the clergymen and the bishop, including Odumeje. He called out a whole lot of them. Mana because they don't commit a crime. Una obuzo we kwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi. We kwa Evangelist Ebuka Obi now the most powerful and the greatest. That is a way on the way commit a crime. Now, we will see no Zion ministry. Wa hayalo. Okwuluora Ndigbo. Ka ọ bịa kparịa Elijah Enugu. Ka ọ bịa kparịa Elijah Enugu. Hapụzienụ nwoke aka. Nwoke ahụ na-ekwu ọ hapụdo asa. Ike ịsa ada adụ Ebuka Obi. Ọ da asa. Ọ da akọnụ wit mmadụ. Nwoke na-ejere onwe ihe. Nwoke na-anọ ilu onwe ihe. Ama na-ewu ihe. Ife niile a na-afịọ. Nwere nke ya anụ n'ọnụ ya. Mana even that silence, some people are still under panic. Some people ka na-atụ ụjọ. Ụfọdụ ka na-ama jijiji. Ọpụ na nwoke mechiri ọnụ nwoke adị ekwu okwu. Asịrị m, kelu ka ọ ya adụ the day the lion will roar. Kelu ka ọ ya adụ that day that the lion will roar. That day that the lion will talk and speak. That day, chi yeji ife weji. Ubosi nwoke ye emeghe pụọnụ wee kwuo okwu. That day, chi yeji ife wefo. I've said so many things, people may shalofo. This Zion is a movement our sister Esther Deru here. Father Angelo repeated here. A lot of people in recent time may repeat it. Now I said something that something do extraordinary in follow na the ministry of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I don't know whether any of you Now that man who onye God designed for this end time. Onye God designed for this season and for this generation. For a purpose which I am still trying to place my hand on. Now, it is beginning to make sense to so many people, including his critics. Personalities like Evangelist Ebuka Obi, ignore them and do your own thing. Mana Igbo case ifamisi, I have encountered such people. They are, you meet them in your office, you meet them in different fields of life. Fighting them, the best thing you can do for yourself is to ignore them. Pretend like they don't exist. Allow them to do their things. Allow them to answer their call. Allow them to go on their way. Give them way. Give them space. For the moment you try to fight them, disgrace is inevitable. Hano in business. Hano in business. If you want to have a tiaka, onaga effortlessly. Look at ego ụfọdụ ministries and ụfọdụ church na-eji ma wine wole abeg wee je na-ayọ ndị mmadụ ka e wee nata ha ego a. Ọkwa otu ego a ka a chọrọ ịnata Peter Obi wee humiliate Peter Obi na altar. Ọkwa otu ego a ka nwoke mmadụ nọ ile onwe people happily bukọla ego a na-ebute ego eji wee humiliate Peter Obi n'elu altar. Paria personality to Peter Obi. Rubbish n'elu altar. Insult oya paria. Egwa ka nwoke mmadụ nọ ile onwe ye ebulie happily nya onye na-akpọ happily. I have said it. He doesn't need to go to government house, from government house to one government house, from one politician to one politician, from one billionaire to one billionaire. He doesn't need to go around from one bank to one establishment looking for money. He has built capacity within Zion that no one any single thing Zion should make today. If I ejime ayesimuna Zion pota. Capacity and strength today is the capacity he built in Zion. He doesn't any additional one outside. He's an extra. So he doesn't need to misuse words just to get that favor. He doesn't need to misuse words. He doesn't need to patronize people just to get that favor or just to get whatever thing on our show. All he just need to do is to be himself, is to do him, is to be him. That's why he can be able to stand before the executive governor of Anambra State, where openly that is not a politician. That the only reason Governor Juwenolu here is because he wasn't mixing words. He made it clear that this is not a campaign ground. That he has no business in any government house. That a lot of governorship aspirants have been calling him to come to that place. And although money conscious or what because no man habia, no another ego. But all manner, state government is the only collaboration or partner meeting in such kind of establishment. You see, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Capacity from within, or build to go a team, and this team, whatever they are doing in Zion, they are doing it with excitement, with happiness, without complaint. Without complaint. People be way. In fact, he cancelled all his engagement just to be on that ground on Agulere. Nobody disturbed him. Wonye nari ego, wonye kpori ebia gwabe ni ye wotari ego, wonye nyeri ni so. In fact, when governor wanted to say something about his own part of obligation, or shall he fulfill, maybe that's their own program. He said he will go and they now confer with the government house chaplain. It ends there. Onye gwalaria ni ye kwuriri na ife awu motherless babies home, and I mean if awu psychiatric hospital and old people's home alone in your state as a governor ni diri in ebe akwu that you are playing politics. Onye nwere time. In fact, that part ka that in the shady ka oga ka bad maintain. That in the check a governor na ka bad maintain. On the check a governor main gbanala, governor J commission ife anala ka bad the main business. And I can't. Such kind of a man, you leave him before they made chukumma, nyadoro nyana chuku. All the whole chukumma, nyawuru chuku ye. A lot of great men have fallen, go. Ebo Masiji have matured because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Are you not seeing that? People are not respecting. People are not respecting. But the moment they go wilaka, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, it took a respect. Yeah, yes, no tibidi danana. Omazi wolu we very footmat. If you go here, if you gay, you know go. A man who is capable of commanding a kind of crowd, we saw Enungobala. Is he a man that anybody we think that you can joke with? Yeah? There are so many things we know you don't know. You need to open your eyes for you to see. So, watch this video from beginning to end. Bakele if you want to. Now ya Bola Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Bola for Zion ministry. Boy, now that particular matter. Okwuluora spoke on his own. And before Okwulu, from Ife to bad in Okwulu, even if na Elijah Lugune Kumakamas and Nandekano, he can still call him out. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the Kumakamas and Nandekano, Okwuluora still called him out. Odumeje Okwuluora still called him out. He called almost every prominent Igbo man. It is just a way of awakening Ndigbo, to tell Ndigbo that this is a task you have. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you have been doing, no matter if your father and your mother cannot just start praising you. They will not keep praising you. No, we have never seen that. So, only the reporter, he called out every single person. Made reference to Senator Patrick Ifanyoba, make reference to who and who again. But every other person, he called them out. Yeah? Alex Fantes, you don't have any choice but to be listening to me. Yes. Sukeludia, Gremont say so. If one of this broadcast, a main gallon, if whoever accusing you put that on them. Continue here and listen like a man. When I talk like a woman, you should listen like as a man. When I talk like a woman, you should listen. And okay, again. You have a lot to learn. You have a lot to learn. And when they see from different negament, listen to me. Let me educate you. So, my people, watch the video. Watch the video. Emalo, you will be warranted. Ebafa Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Zion or with business Zion ministry in Kwenu. A lot of people are accused going on Zion. Mandasi na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na akwụgwọ. Mandasi na Zion na akwụgwọ. Mandasi na Golo. You know, a lot of accusation has gone down, coming from the same water and from the same chapter. Yeah? Now, I asked one of them, if you say that me as a blogger, na Zion na akwụgwọ, because I am telling you what you should know about Zion ministry and Evangelist Ebuka Obi based on experience, not hearsay. Ngomwa na-ekwu maka Enugu kere onye na-akwụ ụgwọ. Only feel that ni na-ekwu maka Enugu because of the passion and because of the experience, first-hand experience in Igboland. Why is it difficult for you to believe that that too is my own case? Same with me. Now, I'm meant to believe that when you do quick and fast to say that you are paid for doing almost the same thing he or she is doing. Now that person not under payroll. The other go. But we are not just good in making accusation. The other go. We are not good in making we are not fast in making accusation. What we do is share this video. I remember this is Zugo. Catch your phone.